Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the SHAKER-60 ankle boots in black vegan leather by Demonia. These are also known as combat techno-pagan boots depending on where you shop. Now I'll just take them all out of the box first. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Alright, let's unwrap these now. And thank you to all of our new subscribers. We really appreciate your support and hope you are loving these videos. This style has these studded contrast panels on either side and also in the tongue there. They're a little bit like a fishnet look. We've got the fully adjustable ankle strap there with the metal panel and the spike studs there in the center. And then we have the metal O-ring and also the little horseshoe ring there as well. There's a metal back zipper to help with taking the boots on and off. We've got this wedge platform sole with the height is 4.5 inches. And it's got this cutout on the sole. These buckles are adjustable on both sides. And you've also got that little bit of elastic there as well. I'll undo them now. So you could remove this strap completely, but then you're going to be left with the buckle still. So we've got that fishnet design on the outside of the tongue, and the inside is padded a little bit. This model comes in women's USA sizes 6 to 12, which also converts to European 36 to 42. And now I'll just do them back up. It's not quite as easy with these gloves on. And this style is also currently available in a baby pink hologram variation. I'll put the picture up here as well. So now let's just unwrap the other shoe so we can look at them together as well. Let me know in the comments what you think of this style. And tell us if there is a Demonia or New Rock style that you want to see unboxed next time. And we'll see what we can do to make it happen. So now the inside, you can see the little Demonia logo there in the red. And the inside is fairly soft and padded on this model of boots. Not all of them have the padding, so this one's a little bit more comfortable than some of the other styles. If you like these videos we make, we'd ask you to consider helping our channel to grow by subscribing, which will encourage us to make more of these unboxing videos. Now let's have a look at them together. A few angles here. And the laces are fully exposed on the outside. We've got these round laces, but you could totally put some other kind of laces of your choice. Well, that's all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.